Mudrex versus CoinDCX. So in this video, we're gonna do a comparison and see which one is better and which one is not. And we're gonna go through their websites, their reviews, and let me give you the verdict at the end of the video, so you guys can invest your money accordingly. So um, if you're new to the channel, make sure that you like the video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any future update. So what we're gonna do is basically we're gonna go through their website because this is the CoinDCX website. As you guys can see that they have trades, coin, margins, earned market, API services, VIP exclusive for experience for our selected few. Futures, learn policies, business, and about us in the sport. And let's go see their about us page. And this is one of the biggest platform in India for the crypto trade. They're locally made crypto trade platform where you guys can trade crypto, and they are made in India as well. So this is the website that they're going doing. So let's go to the Mudrex. Mudrex has this website, sort of this website. This is not that much engaging website as compared to the CoinDCX. They have a very professional based website. You guys can see that they only offer coins, coin sets, future, institutional, and more. In the more option, they give about us page, and let's go to visit their about us page here. So here you guys can see that this is the about us page for the Mudrex, and they have provided the information about their team, their overall system and everything in it. So let's read about their reviews on the internet. So let's first read reviews about the coin DCX. It says that is coin DCX safe? So the person replying to it is saying that I'm using coin DCX for the past 3 years, and I'm strongly that it's the best to trade and invest in India. They have a decent amount in market cap while competing globally, but there are two disadvantages I have noted. Limited coins comparing to the other exchanges, and their major coin allocation is in a SHIB of 24.83%, which is a luxury shit coin which might disappear someday. So the other person said that do they allow the withdrawal transfer to the other wallet? Yes, they do, but you have to install the CoinDCX Pro and complete the KYC process. I personally transfer the crypto from my Delta Exchange wallet to the CoinDCX in XRP and Tron, but we cannot withdraw coins in CoinDCX, but you can sell and transfer from your account to the bank account and with DEX. So this is the reviews of the CoinDCX, and let's read reviews about the Murex. The Murex says that your money would be frozen, blocked my country, can't access funds, scummy fees. Mudrex's total fraud team was experienced going to remove application from my device. Worst exchange I have seen take 48 hours to process any type of transaction, deposit or withdrawal, and customer support is also bad and very slow, takes 24 hours to reply one message. So I transfer crypto from Mudrex to my wallet. I transfer crypto to my wallet, but not credit still after 24 hours. And this person is saying best way of investing in crypto in the market for the invoices. So the other person is saying I've been waiting for my funds since for May and still nothing. Today is 16th June. So was customer service deposited my crypto to this platform and provided all the needed documents, still taking 3 days to deposit. So guys, be careful about the Mudrex. Mudrex is not a very legible and very trusted website right now, and this platform can get your money stuck. So be careful about this one. By the way, on the other hand, CoinDCX is a well-known platform where you guys can invest your cryptocurrency. I hope you find this video helpful. Take care. Bye bye.